Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Monday.com for nonprofit fundraising tracking. So, let's get started. First off, you'll want to log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have one, no worries. It's easy to create one on their website. The reason we use Monday.com is because it's a versatile tool that lets you track fundraising efforts in real time. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating a new board. On the left-hand side, click on the Add button and select Create Board. Name it something like Fundraising 2025. This board will be your command center for tracking all your fundraising activities. Next up, we need to add some columns to our board. These will represent the different stages of our fundraising process, such as potential donors, contacted, donated, and follow-up needed. To add a column, simply click on the plus button next to the last column. This helps us because we can visually track the progression of each donation, helping us stay organized and focused. Now let's add some items to our columns. These items represent our donors or potential donors. Click on the Add button at the bottom of a column and type in a name. You can also add more details to each item by clicking on it and filling out the information in the pop-up window. This is crucial because it allows us to keep detailed records of each donor, ensuring we don't overlook anyone during our fundraising efforts. Once you've got the hang of adding items, you'll want to start moving them between columns as they progress through the stages of your fundraising process. To do this, simply click and drag an item to a new column. The reason we do this is to keep a real-time visual representation of our fundraising progress. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've set up a powerful tracking system for your nonprofit fundraising on Monday.com. Remember, the key to successful fundraising is staying organized and keeping detailed records. Monday.com makes this easy with their intuitive and customizable boards. Before we wrap up, let me explain why this matters. Fundraising is the lifeblood of any nonprofit. Tracking your efforts effectively can make the difference between meeting your goals and falling short. So, using a tool like Monday.com can not only help you stay organized, but also give you the insight you need to improve your fundraising strategies. And that's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to keep track of your success. Happy fundraising!